So problems on profit and loss. Profit and loss. So on the Mohan brought a radio for rupees 675. 675. And sold it as 12% gain. Benefit loss, benefit percentage is 12%. Find the selling price of radio. Simple thing. You have to find the selling cost, selling price. First simple, already you did my video on percentage. Simple thing. Right here cost price, here selling price. Cost price is always 100. So cost price is always 100%. Selling price 12% gain. Whenever it is gain, you should add. And use means to do subtraction. Loss means subtraction. Gain means addition. So 100 plus 12, that is equal to 112. Okay. Next, Mohan brought rupees 670. This is the cost price. This is for cost price. So this is the cost price. What we have to find? We have to find the selling price. SP. As well as X. Because I don't know the number. So that's why I have to find. Simply do cross multiplication. Simply do cross multiplication. 100 into X. 100x is equal to 675 into 112. X is equal to 675 into 112 by 100. Okay? 25 1s are 25, 4s are 100. 25, 27s are 675. Okay? Next 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So whenever this is equal to 27 into 28, you are getting 756. Therefore, selling price rupees 700, rupees 756. Simple thing. Already you did these problems in your percentage or the percentage. So based on the percentage, simply add formulas. Okay? This cost price is gaining 12%. We have to find selling price. So cost price is always 100. So 100, this is cost price, this is selling price. Selling price means gaining 12%. 112, 675. I don't know selling price. X, so do cross multiply, getting 756. Next, a fan sold 564 and a loss of 6%. What is the cost price of the fan? And what cost price must be sold to get 5%? This problem has two problems. One problem, first problem, we have to find the cost price. He is given selling price and cost price. After that, what we have to do? These cost price based on you want to gain 5%. How to gain? So simple. First, given write cost price and selling price. Cost price and selling price. In this we have two problems. First problem. So cost price how much? I will do. First percentage, 100%. Selling price. What is selling price? Is loss. Loss means doing subtraction. That is equal to 100 minus 6. That is equal to 94. Okay? 94. 100 minus 6. That is equal to 94%. After that, sell cost price, we don't know, assume that is X. Next selling price is 564. Simply do cross multiplication. So 94 into X is equal to 564 into 100 by 94. 94. So, in next one, x is equal to 564 into 100 by 94. 94 1 are 94. 94 6 of 106. X is equal to 600. The cost price is 600 rupees. Rupees 600. The cost price is 600 rupees. So first is given selling price. Selling price 560. On that selling price, he is to lose or loss how much? 6%. So we have to find first cost price. So cost price is always 100. So selling price we will lose, that means subtraction. Benefit means add. Loss means subtraction. 94. Selling price 564. So I have to find cost price. Simply do cross multiplication. Simply do cross multiplication. You are getting 600. Next again we have to find the selling price. Gain 5%. Based on 5%. How we have to find? Simple, same cost price and selling price. Cost price is always 100. Simply the next selling price. Selling price means you want to gain benefit, profit. That's why 100 plus 5. That is equal to 105. Cost price and selling price. After cost price, next is given cost price. Cost price how much? 600 rupees. We have to find the selling price. We have to find the selling price. We don't know selling price. That's why I do X. 100 in place, 100x, that is equal to 600 to 105. X is equal to 600 into 105 by 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. X is equal to 6 into 105, 630. Therefore, selling price is rupees 630. Simple thing. So, if you want to gain 5%, these 6%, this is the cost price is 600. These are 6 cost price, have to sold 630 rupees. Then we will get 5% benefit. Okay? Next. A man sells his goods for rupees 4,900, gaining up 1/6 of his outlay. Outlay means total 100%. Total of his total benefits, total expenditure. Okay? He got 1/6. 1/6. So total 100 into 1/6. Otherwise that. Gain is equal to 100 into 1/6. That is equal to 50/3. These 50/3 is more than 100. More than 100. That is equal to 100 plus 50/3. That is equal to 350/3. Okay? Actually, this is a percentage. So, it's a gain percentage. Simply, like what think about it, this is the gaining percentage. Okay? 100%. 1/6 of outlay. Okay? Total of his expenditure. Total of investment. Okay? Total of his goods. So, he is getting 1/4. Okay? These are the next. We have to find the selling price. Simple thing. Selling price and cost price and selling price. We have to find the cost price. So cost price is always 100. Cost price is always 100. Selling price means percentage. Here 350/3. So gaining whenever same percentage like 1/6. Some of the competitive exam maybe is asking in banking or LIC. Some company even civils also they are asking this type of questions. That's why I'm asking. 350/350. This is the cost price and this is the selling So 350 by 3 is equal to 100 into 4,900. 100 into 4,900. X is equal to 4,900 into 100 into 3 by 350. So this is it. Left side. Bring it is equal to opposite. Then numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. This is 3. It is in denominator. It become numerator. This is in numerator. This bring denominator. 350. 0 get cancel. 7 5s are 35. 7 7s are 709. 5 1s are 5. 2s are x is equal to 700 into 6, that is equal to 4,200 rupees. The cost price is 4,200 rupees. 4,200. This is the simply thing. Okay. Next. So by selling an alamara rupees 4,356. A man gained 10%. What percent does he gain on selling of rupees 4,158? Actually, a man sold his alamara 4,356. Then he got 10% benefit. He got 10% benefit. So if he sold the alamara 4,158, how much is gain percentage? How much is gain percentage? So whatever first maybe we have to find first cost price. We have to find first cost price. Okay? Right. Next. Isn't it? So first cost price. This is the selling price. Cost price is always 100. Keep in your mind. 100 percentage. That's why I take 100. So gain 10 percentage, that is equal to 110. Gain means adding 100 plus 10, 110. So selling price 4,356. We have to find the cost price. Simply do cross multiplication. 110 into x is equal to 4,356 into 100. X is equal to 4,356 into 100 by 110. Simplify or getting 3,960. 3,900. We are getting x is equal to rupees 3,960. Okay, 11 1 11 396. 3,960. This is the cost price. Now, second, this is the first problem. Actually, this problem have two problems. This is one, this is for another. So, first problem over. Now, I am going for second. On the cost price and the selling price. Cost price is 100. Selling price means selling, we want gain. We don't know. That is x. I want to find that is x. I want to find that x. Next, cost price how much? 3,960. Selling price 4,158. Simply do cross multiplication. 3,960 into x is equal to 4,158 into 100. X is equal to 4,158 into 100 by 3,960. Simplify or getting x is equal to 115. X is equal to 115. That means is gaining percent how much? Gaining percentage. Gaining percentage is 5%. Gaining how much? 5%. So, if more than 100, then how much? 5%. 5 is the gaining percentage. Next, again the selling price of 12 pence is equal to the cost price of 14 pence. Find gain. Simple amount. Each one thinker is a 1. Each one thinker is a 1 rupee. So that means cost price, selling price will be confused. So this selling price become cost price, cost will become selling price. It will be easy. So that means cost price is equal to 12 rupees. That means and selling price is 14 rupees. That means actually he purchased the pens are 12 rupees and sold for 14 rupees. Okay, you want to find gain. So in this situation, cost price becomes selling, selling becomes it will be confused. So gain percentage or gain is equal to 12 minus 14 minus 12, that is equal to 2. So gain percentage is equal to 2 by 12 into 100. 6, that is equal to 16.6 percentage. 6 like that. 100, 16.66 or 6 percentage. Okay, simple. Next, the cost price of 12 pence equal to the selling price of 15 pence. Here also same selling price take cost price and cost price take selling price. Then easily can solve. So cost price is 15 rupees. Selling price is 12 rupees. Then we have to find the loss. Loss is equal to 15 minus 12, that is equal to 3. So what I have to find? Loss percentage. Loss percentage is equal to loss by 100 into loss by cost price into 100. That is equal to loss 3 rupees. Cost price is 50 into 100. 3 minus 35 is equal to 20. Therefore, loss percentage is 20%. Loss percentage how much? 20%. Understood? Next we are going for a man sold 2 cows, rupees 6,000 each, and gained 20% on one cow and losing 20% on another. Find his gain or loss percentage. So the man sold 2 cows. For each one to 3,000. Okay, each one 3,000. That means sold how many cows? Sold 2 cows. How many cows? 2 cows. That is equal to 2 into 3,000. That is equal to total selling price 6,000 rupees. Total selling price is 6,000 rupees. Because we have to find gain or loss on total only, not individual. In this have 2 different problems. In this have 2 different problems. First one. First I have to find the first one cow. First cow or 1 cow. So cost price and selling price. So first is gain 20%. His gain is 20%. How much gain? 20%. 20% gain. So cost price is always 20% gain means 100 plus 20, 120. Okay. Next, selling price is given. That is 3,000. We have to find the cost price. We have to find the cost price. Simply do cross multiplication. 120 into x is equal to 3,000 into 100. X is equal to 3,000 into 100 by 130. 0, 0, 8. Next one. 2 5s are 2 6 are 6 5s are. X is equal to 2,500 rupees. First cow Cost price is 3,200 rupees. One cow. Next we are going for second cow. We are going for second cow. Second cow. Cost price we have to find. First cost price and selling price. Cost price and selling price. Cost price is 100. Selling price means he is losing. Losing means subtraction. Losing means subtraction. That is equal to 100 minus 20. 80 percentage. 80. Selling price is 3,000. Fixed. We have to find the price. Selling price is each one count 3,000. Therefore, 80 into x is equal to 3,000 into 100. X is equal to 3,000 into 100 by 0, 0, get cancelled. 8 1 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, 4 7 ja 28, 2, 4 5 that's 2 1 ja 2, 50 ja 75 into 50, 75 into 5, 5 5 is 55, 3,700. So x is equal to 3,750 rupees. 3,000. This is the second price, second cow cost price. Total cost price. Total cost price is equal to 2,500 plus 3,750. That is equal to 6,250. 6,250. So we have to find the loss or gain. So cost price is and selling price. Cost price of 6,250. Selling price 6,000. That is equal to 250 loss. How much we have to loss? 250 loss. We have to find the loss percentage. That is equal to loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Loss means 250 by 6,000. 0 means here 100. 25 ones are 25. 25 are is equal to 4. Loss how much? 4 percentage. Total loss how much amount? 4 percentage. Total loss 4 percentage. Understood? So I explain it once again. 2 cows is sold each one 3,000 rupees. So 1 cow 3,000, so total 6,000. That is 7. So he gaining 20% of 1 cow and losing 20% of another cow. First I am taking 1 cow. 1 cow is getting benefit 20%. That's called 1 cow. Simplify getting cost price 2,500. Next is second cow. Cost price and sell price. If this is 100, he is losing. That's why I am taking subtraction. 100. Simplify getting 3,750. Total cost price means these both added. You are getting 6,250. So total cost price is total selling price is. So cost price is more than selling price. It is equal to 250. So loss percentage means loss by cost price is 100. We are getting 4 percentage. Okay? Thank you, student. Understood? If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you, students.
Watching video, these are the questions. Pause the video and write down questions and solve it. You have 11 questions. So copy these 11 questions and write down all questions and solve it. I will provide answers also. These are the questions. In the essay I have 15. write the 15 questions neatly and solve the problems. Okay, now I will provide answers also. These are answers for 12B. These are the answers for 9A. So watch the video carefully and write the questions and check your answers. So it is easy to understand. Okay.